Hello, I'm Richard from the Legal Partners.
So I'm here in Singapore. We're working with UK companies to export into the Southeast Asian market, and I'm delighted to be here with Ronnie Tan, Central Chambers Law Corporation. They're our partner law firm here in Singapore, and we're going to talk over the next few minutes about the opportunities to invest and export into Singapore for UK companies. Ronnie, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Richard.
What about the types of clients and the services which Central Chambers offers?
Well, we act a lot for the government departments,
Yes.
the government investment agencies that are always looking for good businesses.
Mm-hmm.
Currently, the focus is on Europe,
Yes.
parts in the UK, in the US,
Yes.
Latin America,
Yes.
all over the world.
Yes.
We want to be the center, the gateway to Asia.
Why Singapore? Why come here to access the Asian markets?
Well, it's quite natural. The first thing that comes to mind is, of course, Singapore's familiarity with English, the English language. British education. I was educated in Britain myself. And when countries come over to this part of the world, obviously language is a very important aspect of their decision to come here. And Singapore is almost always the natural place to start in Asia.
What other countries naturally are accessed by Singapore?
China and India.
Yes.
And China and India, historically, they have their own issues. And we find that we are becoming very relevant in Singapore in bringing the two of them together in this part of the world. And when you find that countries in Europe wanting to do business with China and with India, almost always a quite natural choice is to come to us and talk to us, and we lead them through the business terrain and the business landscape, commercial landscape as well.
And I presume once they're in Singapore, they're also able to access countries like Thailand and Burma, Indonesia.
Obviously.
The second level of countries who are
Yes.
growing very quickly
Yes.
as well.
Yes. Richard, you're talking about the Asian countries, but the exact countries are talking about the ASEAN, ASEAN.
Right.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
those are the countries that you find that, should I call it the second tier of
Yes.
the Asian countries?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That a lot of British companies and a lot of US companies are trying to reach.
Yes.
And you find
Yes.
that Singapore has this inextricable link with them
Yes.
historically.
Yeah.
I think, first of all, Richard, we have an economy that is tied to many UK businesses in many ways. We are tapping on the UK expertise in certain markets and telecommunications, that part of the world that seems to be very good in IT matters
Yes.
and telecommunications.
Yes.
We are looking towards getting expertise in advertising services,
Right.
in human resource services.
Yes. Yes. Interesting. Interesting. So there's a very good overlap.
Arbitration Center, well, Richard, you've been to the Arbitration Center here. Singapore's trying to create the Arbitration Center where people will come, arbitrate, and make this the center of the world. We have, in fact, brought in 6 Queen's Counsel into this part of the world to help us achieve that aim.
Yes.
When we first started off, we thought that the best experts, the best legal experts would be from the UK, and here you are. You guys are here, 6 Queen's Counsel, having opened up shop here.
So that's a natural example, Ronnie, of the UK helping and working with Singapore on the legal side.
Yes.
So I think that's a great example to finish with. So I think we should close by saying that, look, Singapore is your key place to base your business to access the Asian markets. It's easy to do business. You can open an office here and access tremendous growth potential. And Central Chambers Law Corporation and the legal partners are here to help you fulfill your aims.